Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to start a new project with Murf AI, a quick guide. Are you ready to kickstart your creative journey with Murf AI? Let's explore how to create a new project in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Head to the Murf Studio dashboard and click on Create Project. A pop-up will appear, offering you a choice of content type. You can choose either video or audio, depending on your project's nature. Step 2. Choose your project type. Also, don't forget to write the title of your project in the designated space. After confirming your project's details, simply click on Create Project to move forward. And just like that, you have initiated your creative endeavor with Murf AI. Whether it's a video or audio project, the choice is yours. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.